Peace be upon you and your family. 12th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 1 Basic Concept of Chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss about the answer key under the heading Student Activity and Assessment. First, Student Activity. Question number 1 is identifying the type of matter for the following. Point number 1 is sugar. We can write the molecular formula as C12H22O11, which is an example of a compound. The next one is seawater. Seawater is a mixture of number of salt. Therefore, we cannot indicate it by a common molecular formula. It is only the mixture of the given sample. Air and seawater, these are mixture. Distilled water, a pure water, molecular formula H2O comes under the compound. Carbon dioxide, molecular formula CO2, which can be indicated by the molecular formula. It is also an example of a compound. Copper wire, Cu, it is a metal only, metal, or simply elements. And table salt, nothing but sodium chloride, also called common salt, indicated by a molecular formula, therefore comes under compound. And naphthalene balls, when two benzene rings are fused together, you will get naphthalene ball, example of a compound. It has a molecular formula. And silver plate, Ag is only symbol, comes under element. So in the given the samples, seawater is only the mixture which cannot be indicated by a general formula. These are made up of two or more elements, can be indicated by the molecular formula, comes under compound. Copper and silver, these two are only elements in the given example. Come to the second student's activity. Find out the average atomic mass of element X. The element X has the following isotopic composition. Isotopes, elements having same atomic number but a different mass number are called isotope. The percentage of the isotopes are given as X 200 atomic mass 90%, 199X 8%, 202X only 2%. How to find the average mass of X? Average mass, first atomic mass into percentage composition plus atomic mass into percentage composition plus atomic mass is also called mass number into the percentage composition. After multiplying all these and by dividing and by adding and dividing will give 199.96 is the average atomic mass of X, indicated by U, unified atomic mass, unit of atomic mass. Which one of the following represent 180 gram of water? 90 moles of water, 11.21 of water, 6.022 into 10 power 24 molecules of water. First we got to find out number of moles of water. Number of moles of water equal to mass of water divided by molar mass of water. How to find out molar mass of water? Water molecular formula H2O. It contains how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. That is equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen 16. That is equal to 18 gram mole power minus 1 is the molar mass of water. Mass of water 118, molar mass of water 18. When we cancel 118 is 18, 10 18s are 180, 10 moles. Number of molecules in 1 mole of water is Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Number of molecules in 10 moles of water, 10 moles of water equal to we have to cross multiple and divided by this value. 10 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. 10 means 10 power 1. So 6.023 into 10 power 1 plus 23 equal to 10 power 24. What is the answer? C is the answer. So 6.023 and 6.022 both these are same. Into 10 power 24 number of water molecules are present in 180 gram of water. Come to the assessment part of unit 1. How many water molecules are present in a drop of water weighing 0.018 gram? Mass of water drop given in our problem is 0.018 gram. Number of moles in water drop equal to mass of water divided by molar mass of water. Just now we have calculated the molar mass of water, water molecular formula H2O. It contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. 2 into hydrogen atomic mass 1, 1 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 18 gram mole power minus 1 is the molar mass of water. This is mass of water given in our problem. We can convert this fractional number into a whole number. Bring this point to the right hand side, 3 digit. Therefore 18 into 10 power minus 3. 0.018. 0.018 equal to 18 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 18. 18 get cancelled. Remaining we have only 10 power minus 3 mole as usual. Number of molecules in 1 mole of water equal to Avogadro number. Number of molecules in 10 power minus 3 mole of water equal to cross multiple divided by this one. 10 power minus 3 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. 10 power minus 3, 10 power 23 get cancelled to 10 power 20. Therefore, number of molecules in 0.018 gram of water is 6.023 into 10 power 20. Assessment number 2. Find the molar mass of ethanol C2H5OH and sucrose C12H22O11. First ethanol. Ethanol molecular formula C2H5OH. First divide the elements by a positive sign. It containing how many carbon atom? 2 carbon atom. Hydrogen 5 plus 1 equal to 6 hydrogen. How many oxygen we have? Only 1 oxygen, that is equal to 2 into carbon atomic mass 12 plus 6 into hydrogen atomic mass 1 plus 1 into oxygen atomic mass 16. That is equal to 2 into 12 are 24 plus 6 plus 16 will give 6, 10, 16 remaining 1, 46 is the molecular mass of ethanol. 46 gram is 1 mole of ethanol. 46 gram mole power minus 1 means this is mole, only MOL. Mole power minus 1 is the unit of molar mass of ethanol. Come to sucrose. It containing how many carbon atom? 12 carbon atom and 22 hydrogen plus how many oxygen? 11 oxygen, that is equal to 12 into carbon atomic mass 12 plus 22 into hydrogen atomic mass 1 plus 11 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 12 into 12 are 144 plus 22 into 1 equal to here 176. When we add all these, we will get the answer 6, 10, 12 remaining 1, 8, 10, 14 remaining 1, 2, 3. 342 gram mole power minus 1 is the molar mass of sucrose. Come to the next assessment. Number 3. Calculate the number of moles present in 646 gram of ammonia. Number of moles formula we know. Number of moles of ammonia equal to mass of ammonia divided by molar mass of ammonia Mass of ammonia given in our problem 646. Ammonia molecular formula NH3. It contain 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens. 1 into nitrogen atomic mass 14 plus 3 into hydrogen atomic mass 1, that is equal to 17. When we cancel 117 is 17 in 64. How many 17s are there? 3 17s are 51. Remaining 13. So remaining we have 136. 117 is 17. How many 17 in 136? 8 17s in 136. 38 moles. Number of moles present in 646 gram of ammonia is 38 mole. Fourth assessment, what is the mass of one gold atom? Au, symbol of gold is Au. Rm 196.96. U means unified atomic mass. This is the unit of atomic mass. If the equivalent mass of a trivalent metal, valency of metal is 3, M3 plus. Element is 9 gram equivalent power minus 1. What will be the molar mass of its anhydrous oxide? Anhydrous means the oxide without water molecule is called the anhydrous. Let the valency trivalent metal be M3 plus. M indicate metal. Its valency is 3 plus. Equivalent mass equal to mass of the metal divided by valency factor. Equivalent mass is given in our problem, that is equal to 9. Mass of the metal we have to calculate divided by valency equal to 3. When we cross multiple, 9 into 3 equal to 27. So mass of the metal equal to 27. Mass of the metal equal to 27 gram. Oxide formed is, how to find out the, write the molecular formula for the oxide. Mass of the metal 27 gram. Valency of the metal, we know it is a trivalent metal ion. Oxygen valency 2. When we write in class, that 2 is here, this 3 is there. Molecular formula M2O3. Mass of the oxide. M2O3 containing 2M. M means metal and 3 oxygen. 2 into metal atomic mass, we know 27. 3 into oxygen atomic mass 16. When we multiply these two, we will get 102 gram. The molar mass of anhydrous oxide is 102 gram mole power minus 1. My dear students, in this video we discussed the answer key for unit 1 in referencer course model. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.